Yes, the short clip you just watched is produced by Facebook, which is now called Meta, to promote Metaverse. And the video clip is produced using NFT technology. So it is an NFT promotional video on Metaverse. Metaverse gained a lot of acceptance and traction since the start of the year, making it more and more popular as days go by. How actually will Metaverse affect ordinary people like you and me? Come, let's take a deeper look now. Imagine a world where you could take meeting notes while walking on planet Mars, have a conversation with your colleagues on the peak of Mount Everest, or teleport from place to place without actually moving. You can send your digital twin to do whatever you wish to de-stress, and this digital twin is AI enabled, or AI, which is artificial intelligence. That's a glimpse of what the Metaverse can do for you. From a technical perspective, Metaverse refers to shared three-dimensional virtual worlds which are engineered and powered by a combination of technologies, tools, and standards that enable highly immersive virtual collaborations and interactions between large volume of concurrent users, which in turn facilitate extensive interoperability of data, digital assets, and content. The Metaverse will also combine physical spaces, two-dimensional internet experiences, and finite simulations with virtual reality, the VR and augmented reality, the AR technologies. The examples of the two-dimensional internet experiences are the apps and the web pages that we use and visited every day, whereas the example of finite simulations are the computer games that many likes to play. Does this sound complex to understand? From a common layman perspective, Metaverse is a network of 3D virtual worlds where people can interact, do business, and focus on social connection through their digital twin. And this digital twin is enabled by AI technology. Metaverse world is a version where the internet is like one single universal earth. It can establish virtual environments where people can interact as if they were present in person. The COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated the development of Metaverse. Both the technology breakthrough and trendy future life mode bode well for the Metaverse, indicating its promising future development. Although the Metaverse is still vague in many aspects, it has suddenly become the in thing where many big business and technology titans invested in. For example, Meta, Microsoft, Epic Games, Roblox, and other big corporations are creating their own virtual worlds or Metaverse. To create a Metaverse, it involves different technologies, including machine learning, artificial intelligence, blockchain, and VR-enabled headsets. People ask how to get to the Metaverse with your avatar. Here, avatar is your digital self-image. To get to the Metaverse with your avatar, it is very simple. All you need is a computer, a mouse, and a keyboard. However, if you want to fully immerse in the experience, you will need a VR set. Many companies are developing more equipment to enhance the experience of Metaverse. Meta is also developing haptic gloves that enables users to interact with 3D virtual objects and experience sensations such as pressure, movement, and texture. How does the Metaverse change the way we work? The pandemic has its advantages. It forced people to adapt to technological changes and living habits. Because of the pandemic, we are forced to move everything online. This facilitates the development and adaptations of the Metaverse. There are three areas where Metaverse change the way we work. Number one, it changed the way we collaborate and work together. Going to the office has never been simpler. You don't have to spend a long time commuting or experience traffic jams. Your digital team can just pop in and out of the virtual offices to work with the comfort of your own home. Metaverse is not only a space for us to work, but it can also be a space for relaxation. You can roam exhibitions, relax with colleagues in the networking lounge, or roam anywhere through your digital twin. If you are onboarding 10 new colleagues and give them a PDF document to introduce a company, they will lose concentration after 10 minutes. What we do instead is have them walk along a 3D hall or gallery with 20 interactive stands where they can explore the company. You make them want to walk the virtual hall, not to sit down and read a document. This is said by Pushpa Kipiram, founder and director of NextMeet, who explained the inspiration behind their virtual workplace solution. Number 2, the emergence of digitalization. The Metaverse could change how we normally do training and skills development. Instead of spending a long time to develop and acquire new skills, the Metaverse helps compress it. It can allow AI-enabled digital coaches to be on hand to assist in employee training and with career advice. In the Metaverse, every object could be made to be interactive, providing 3D displays and step-to-step how-to guides. For example, a training manual, machine and product instruction book. Virtual reality roleplay exercises and simulations will become common, enabling worker avatars to learn in highly realistic gameplay scenarios such as the high-pressure sales presentation, the difficult client, or a challenging employee conversation. Gamification is also proven to be an effective strategy that can be applied in the Metaverse. Number 3, AI-enabled individuals. The Metaverse will not just include you and your colleagues or real people. It will open to AI-powered, human-like robots. You will be surrounded by an array of digital colleagues. These AI agents will act as advisors and assistants, doing much of the heavy lifting of work in the Metaverse and in theory freeing up human workers for more productive, value-added tasks. Tasks that can be automated will be automated. Since COVID-19, the workplace environment and our working habits have changed drastically. What we could have done in a couple of years with the Metaverse. The flexibility in the working environment, whether it is remote or hybrid, has truly changed the expectations around why, where, and how we work. And the story of workplace transformation doesn't end there. Let's sit back, don't resist, and see how technology takes us. I hope today's sharing has again opened up another perspective to you on understanding the world of Web 3.0 or Metaverse, how it will change our life, change our work. I suggest you save this video, play back and watch many rounds and imagine how you will be impacted in the arrival of Metaverse. If you like my video, please help to subscribe my channel and share my video with as many people as possible to a lot of people. Do not forget to click the little bell so that you'll be notified of any new video I have released. Thank you for watching today. See you next time. Bye bye.